getting colder now anyway, so let the ginger rest for now. So I may put this in the fridge. We may need it for a bit. This, I'm gonna make some greenhouse, and this we all gonna rest in the greenhouse. Yeah, like it used to be. Probably I'm gonna transfer them as well in the big pot. We'll see. It's a lot of work to do for me, guys. Actually, they grow again, this one. Supposed to be already killed 2 months ago. Now it grow back on me. I mean, they come back these leaves. Hello. We're harvesting the ginger, guys. We remove the rest, and then this one gonna be in the bin, compost bin. The rest of ginger leaves. Why not? So the rest, they're gonna be resting in the greenhouse soon. See, that's our ginger here. That's still a lot of ginger here. See that? I just don't want to use it too much. So I'll leave it. Every now and then if I need it, I can go get in the greenhouse and then come back. And see, I got too many ginger now. So I got more in the other pot, big pot. And I got more to do with this. So for now, see, ginger is expensive here, guys. Trust me. Usually in winter, it goes like 120 a kilo. How's that? So here it is. Our ginger leaves. We'll put this one here in the bin. And we don't waste anything. The worm and the larva fly, we're gonna manage to chew it. I hope it's not so hot for them. So we're gonna go with the other one, right? More stuff. Maybe in the bottom here. Look. Yeah. It's a lot of ginger too. Oh no. No, naibot ko yung isa. Hello guys. We have to remove the ginger leaves now. And we use this in the compost bin. 1 million viewers. Oh, this one is the young ginger, very young than other. Hello mga kaibigan, YouTube friends. Oopsie. Walang iba na ibot na guys eh. I hope we have still signal here. So while I'm doing the recording for live. Oh, this ginger is coming out on me. So don't use like this, use the scissor. Hey, the ginger is gone. Okay, it's very young as others. See? So I mean, need some ginger in the house. Since I didn't bring any scissor, so I just use it this. Okay. There you go. Young ginger. We're gonna make some tea. Yo, there's more coming. Hi guys, we'll harvest some of the ginger and remove the leaves now. See, that's very young here. I got one in the other side, it's a lot, so this one remove the leaves because in the winter they're gonna die anyway. Yeah. So we'll make some tea on them. At least in the winter soon I got something to use for the soup as well. Yeah. At least I don't have to buy this $100